Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And I am so excited to share with you, I just got my brick by brick level 2, the fall winter transition kit. And I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you know when I've posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so if you don't already know, we have the Brick by Brick incentive, and the second one is the one I've earned so far. I'm still trying to work towards the third, and it ran from April 1st to May 31st, and it was all about sales, building your sales, and you had to have, out of these categories, you had to have 100 PRV in 4 of them, and it was fans and diffusers, laundry, clean, body, and unplugged, and 500 in wax and warmers. So you had 2 months to do it. So I was able to do it. And I just got my stuff. And I'm so excited to share it with you. Oh my gosh. Now, I'm not going to smell these bars yet. I do not want to do a scent review yet. If you watched my video from SFR, I'll link that below. I did a scent review because I smelled them while I was there, but I want to wait a bit because we're still in July. We just got into July. We got a lot of month left. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the scents though. So we got Sips of Cider. Let me tell you guys, these were so good. Velvet Moon. We got Blackberry Spice. Huckleberry Hideaway, Falling Apples, Cranapple Crumble, oh my gosh, you guys, Frosted Vanilla, which happens to be my favorite, Blackcurrant and Plum, let's see, Perfect Day, like pear, and White Amber and Silk. I think that was all of them. All right, and we also got a pack of our beautiful catalogs. So, yay. I am not messing with these yet because I still have COVID. So, I am not going to be touching these. And we got our scent stickers. So, that is what I'm going to be working on once I'm able to touch things again. We also got our transition set of testers. Now, what's the transition set of testers? If you're new, maybe you're like, I'm not quite understanding. Basically, any scent that was not in the spring summer catalog, you get in your fall winter catalog. This is your transition set. So it's anything that was not in the other catalog because they're assuming that you already have those. So you get that. And then these cute felt shapes that you can use to make samples. So I'm super excited. This was a great kit. Sales is, I do my best work in sales. I struggle in the other areas. I still have not gotten a new club order for the new brick. But I have all month to keep working it, and it's transition month. So if you guys are trying to work toward getting that, focus on the discontinued list, okay? And what do you get for the third one? You get a backpack, a nice backpack with Scentsy on it, okay? But focus on getting people to join your club. It has to be over, I think over $50 to count towards your incentive. And I Do you need 2 or 3? Oh my gosh, you guys, this COVID brain is a mess. I'm not sure. Refer to your workstation, but that's what I would focus on, is getting people that love scents that are going away. Be like, girl, dude, you need to put that in your club so that you always get it, because you always buy what I think Jammy Time's going away. I think sea salt and avocado's going away, like some biggies. So I would definitely work on that. And good luck. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. It was a short, quick little video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.